Welcome to aminacademy.com. In quantity surveying practice, let us discuss about capacity of water tank sump calculation. Look at this example. Find the capacity of a rectangular sump, that is water tank below the ground level. If the size of the sump is 15 feet by 12 feet by 8 feet, and number of water tanker to fill the sump if each water tanker has the capacity to carry 6,000 liters. First of all, you have to find the volume of tank. Now, capacity of water tank. It is in rectangular shape, cuboid, that is 15 into 12 into 8 equal 15 into 12 into 8 equal 1440. 1440 feet cube. We know that 1 feet cube equal to 28.34 liters. Therefore, total capacity of the tank in liter is 1440 into 28.34 into 28.34 equal 40,000. 40,809 9.6 liters, which is approximately 40,810 liters. Now, we have to find number of water tanker required to fill the sump. Number of water tanker is equal to fill is total capacity of the tank 40,810 over each tanker capacity is 6,000 liters, which is equal 6,000 equal 6.88016 is equal 7 tankers. 7 tankers of each capacity 6,000 liters is needed to fill the water sump of capacity 40,810 liters. Next question. For the building of G+9 with built-up area 60,000 feet square, design required size of the rectangular sump or circular sump so that the water stored in sump should be sufficient for the occupant who lives in building. Here, some assumptions we need for this. Here, first total built-up area. Total built-up area is 60,000 feet square. of floors. Number of floors is G plus 9 is 10. Now here number of floor is 10. Therefore area of each floor. Area of each floor is total built up area is 60,000 divided by 10 equal 6,000 feet square. Now area of each flat. Assume each flat equal 1,000 feet square. Normally here we can assume 2 BHK. 2 BHK means 2 bed, 1 hall, 1 kitchen. The built up area of an built up area for one flat is nearly about, let's reduce 900 feet square, and with an additional area. Additional area is equal 100 feet square for each flat in it. Therefore, total area of 2 BHK 2 BHK flat equal 900 plus 100 equal 1,000 feet square. Common area includes common area includes staircase, area plus lift area plus corridor. These are common areas of the complete flat floor. Here, number of flats on each floor. Number of flats on each floor. Area of each floor divided by area of each floor divide area of each floor divided area of each flat. So area of each floor we have area of each floor 6,000 divided by area of each flat is 1,000 equal 6 flats for each floor. 6 flats for each floor. Total flats. Total flats is that is G plus 9 is 10 into 5 floors here. Total area of each flat now flats in building is number of floors, and each number of flats in each floor. Number of floors is 9. Number of floors is 9 into number of each flat, that is 6, is 54 flats. Total flats is 54 flats. Now, note here, ground floor is for car parking and occupant will start living from first floor. Note here, first floor is not for occupant because of car park other utilization. Means occupant lives from the first floor. Now, number of occupant live in each flat. For a flat, number of occupant equal in each floor. Number of occupant in each floor is, let it be 8. Means if number of flats, therefore total occupant is 54 into 8. 54 into 8 equals 432. 432 occupants for complete building. Usage of water per occupant. Usage of water per occupant per day is, let it be 100 liters. 100 liters. And other utensils like kitchen laundry, and etc. is, let it be 50 liters. 50 liters for each occupant. Therefore, total water for each occupant is 100 plus 50 equals 150 liters. Now, water required for the building, total building, water required for total building equal 150 liters for each occupant, and number of occupant is 432. 430 equal 150 into 432 equals 64,800 liters. water record, total water we found liters. Now we'll suppose a rectangular tank. Rectangular tank, suppose rectangular tank capacity, for example, we'll keep no, for example, we'll keep for let 20 into 15 into 8. For example, we'll check liters. Now, before that, each 1 liter, 1 liter equal 28.34, 1 feet cube. 1 feet cube equal to 28.34 liters. Therefore, capacity of water tank is 64 800 divided by 28.34. 64 800 divided by 28.34. 8.34. 64 800 divided by 28.34. 8.34 equal 2286 feet cube. For example, we'll keep the rectangular tank size is 18 feet into 20 feet into 6 feet, which gives 2286 18 into 20, for example, 8, 18 into 20 into 6, you 21, for example, 6.25 will multiply like quantity 18 into 20 into 6.25. 6.5 gives 2250, but our capacity is 2286, little more we need. So for that we can get it. This 6.5 we can keep it. For that we get it 18 into 20, 20 into 6.5 equal 2340. 2340. Little bit more because the capacity of the tank is 2286 feet cube. The tank size is 18 feet into 20 feet into 6.5 feet gives 2340 feet cube. This is enough for this. That means tank size is the tank size. For circular tank, or circular tank, 5 by 4 volume equals to 5 by 4 d square. D is 20 feet, 20 square plus into 7.5 height, which gives 2355. 2355 feet cube. Here our required capacity is 2286, but this have the capacity 2355 feet cube. This little more, it's good, it's enough. That means therefore dia equal to 20 feet and height equal to 7.5 feet. So this is the design of tank. Or if it is a rectangular tank, that is size 18 feet, 20 feet into 6.5 feet, length into breadth and height, it gives 2340 feet cube. This is little more here. So circular tank, if it is circular tank, volume is 5 by 4 d, 5 by 4 d square h, that is, which gives 2355. So diameter is 20 feet and height is 7.5 feet. So far we discussed about how to design a sump, water sump under the building to overcome the water needed for the full occupant. If you have done, please subscribe our YouTube channel.